Welcome everybody to another video. Today I'm going to be showing everybody the easiest way to install a seat cover. I'm building a conversion kit currently. As you can see, all my parts are ready. The frame's actually getting powder coated soon. Same with the bars, so it's going to be a really nice build. Anybody's wondering, this seat is around $30 AUD from AliExpress. I believe you can get them on Temu as well, Alibaba, all those places. But yeah, I'll just put that on the screen right now if you'd like to buy it for your ebike conversion kit, as I will be showing you how to fully install them as well. Alright, so before we get into the video, I just want to show everybody what we need. Obviously you're going to need the seat. Then this is a flathead screwdriver. So if it focuses, that's just a flathead. So you want one of those to really get under the staples. You can do it without it, but this will just make the job easier. Needing is a set of pliers, or whatever you can really get under those staples to get them off, because I'll show you now. Under the seat we've got these staples holding in the seat. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing, the same thing but with a different seat cover. And also you'll be needing a staple gun to reinstall the staples on your seat cover. This might look like an expensive tool, but literally it's cost me $5-10 at like a $2 store. So yeah, it should also come with staples like this. Alright everybody, let's get to the first step of the video. Let's flip our seat over first of all and locate all the staples. So I think I'm going to start here and just go all the way around. So I think I'm going to grab first of all maybe a flathead. And yeah, as I'm doing here, you just want to force the staples out. So as I can see, I kind of just got my flathead under one and it kind of comes out. See, sometimes they get stuck like that, so you just want to grab a set of pliers or something, and there you go, got my first staple out. This side's loose now, so I'm just going to do that all the way around, so it can be quite a time-consuming job. Alrighty guys, a bit into the time lapse now, and yeah, a few minutes later actually, I've already started to get most of it, the front end of the seat cover off, and underneath obviously just got some nice comfortable padding for the seat. And this actually comes off fully, so it'll be seat cover, padding, and then the actual seat. So yeah, 3 layers, just remember that. And yeah, I'm just going to keep working my way around. I'll get back to you when I finish the whole thing. Alrighty everybody, a little bit of time later and everything is off. So as I said, this is actually not on the seat properly, so that's with most seats, but possibly just with the Chinese ones. But yeah, that just goes over and makes them nice and comfortable. Obviously you don't want to be riding on bare plastic. And then I got the seat cover, all the staples are off. As you might tell by my carpet, staples everywhere. And yeah, I actually did it without damaging the seat cover. So alrighty guys, and now we are going to talk about the seat cover and installing it. So I got this seat cover off AliExpress for around $15. It's got some extra grip on there compared to the last seat cover, and some lines for some detail, so that's what I liked about it. Alright, so step 1 is to flip over the seat cover just like this, and then we're going to grab our seat, put the seat just in the middle of those stripes, make sure it's all lined up. First what we're going to do is tie down every side, so it's going to be staples here, staples down there, and staples on the 2 sides, and then kind of go around the whole thing until everything's tight. Now I'm going to grab my staple gun and start stapling. So I'm going to staple there and there, just 2 for now to hold it in place. Alrighty guys, so the first step is done. As you can see, the staples are in. I've done around 4. You don't have to do 4, you can even just do 1 to hold it in, but I wanted to be safe and sure that I've done it. So yeah, 4 there. Alrighty guys, now both sides are completely stapled and my seat is looking, well, better. If I flip it over, and you can kind of see a preview of how it will start to look. Alrighty guys, now both sides and ends of the seat cover are stapled down, and now what you do is just go around all the sides, make sure you pull, staple, until you're happy with it. It's tight. Obviously it might not be perfect, mine won't be perfect, but it will definitely be better. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you when I've done a little bit of it. Alright, so I think I'm pretty happy with how my seat cover came out. I didn't think it'd come out that good, but it's not bad. So obviously it's not factory level, but it's definitely good enough for the looks and for whatever you're using it for. Cut some axis off, yes, but be careful where you cut. So I'll be back when I do that. Alrighty guys, and the seat is finally done. I've got the nice seat cover on. The line's pretty straight. And I've done lots of cutting, as you can see there, but it's pretty good. Got a few air bubbles, but like, you know, what can you do? It's pretty good. And I'm actually going to be making a video soon how to install this on your actual frame, e-bike frame, whatever. So like a seat post will go here. And yeah, if you're interested in that, then go watch that video. That will be coming out soon. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.